Operation and maintenance of transformers. After the inspection and pre-commissioning tests are successfully completed, the transformer can be energized at no load. Oil soaking or settling duration of 2 days for transformers up to 245 kV class and 3 days for 400 kV and above class are recommended after completion of hot oil circulation and before energizing. Excessive vibration, if any, on any part of the transformer shall be located and rectified. Transformer shall be observed for any abnormality. If any gas is collected inside the Buchholz relay, it shall be analyzed for its combustibility. If gas is not combustible, it indicates air trapped inside the transformer. All instruments should be checked for any abnormal indication. Check winding temperature and oil temperature readings at least once in every shift. Check and confirm that tap position indicators is same in local and remote indicators. Check and confirm that none of the alarms are indicated. Ensure that cooler power supply isolator is on. Ensure that cooler controller is in auto. Ensure that pumps and fans are running smoothly as temperature dictates. If the temperature is below the on setting, neither the pump nor fan should be running. After watching the operation of the transformer at no load for 24 hours and confirming that everything is normal, the transformer shall be taken on load. Observe the rise in temperature of oil and winding temperature indicators. While temperature is rising, confirm that fans and pumps are switched on automatically at the preset temperatures. While temperature is falling, observe that the pumps and fans are switched off at preset temperature. The maintenance should be done periodically. The maintenance schedule is indicated below.